welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Labrina. I am a third year, fifth grade teacher in the small state of Delaware. I haven't posted a video in a while. I was on vacation with my family, so I just now got back to reality. And as I was reading all the craziness regarding going back to school, seems as though our union here in Delaware is pushing for the first 6 weeks of school to be remote learning, so online. I'm okay with that, but we don't know. We don't know definitely yet. Still waiting for word from my school on exactly how this is going to look for us. I do know that we are going back for about 2 weeks of professional development, which is great. They're going to give us PD, I guess, to get us kind of set up on this, on whatever's going to happen. And, you know, I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful that we are going to get some professional development to maybe introduce us to some new technology, things that we didn't know before and we might be able to use now. So that's a positive. But you know, me, I'm just constantly Googling and Instagramming and Pinteresting everything under the sun to see what I can use if we are going to be doing distance learning or if we're going to be in the classroom. And today I did find one new tool that I didn't even know existed, but math teachers might, and science teachers possibly might really like this. And it's this Whiteboard.fi. So if you just search that, it takes you to this website, and I'm going to go through a quick little tutorial of this website, and maybe some of you will get use out of it for this next upcoming school year. All right, everybody. So type in, oh, sorry, you don't want to see my hand, whiteboard.fi, and it brings you to this web page. So it says free online whiteboard tool for teachers and classrooms. I don't know if anybody else knew about this. I did not know about this website, and I'm kind of sad about that, but now that I know, I can move forward and use it. So you can hit new class or join class. We're going to click on new class. You type in your name. We'll say class A, and that's that. So settings, you can enable the waiting room lobby, kind of like Zoom. You know how Zoom has the waiting room? So we can enable that. Click that. You can enable image upload for students. Not sure if I want to do that. Well, we won't click it. That's fine. Then force simple mode. So this says that on low-end devices or on connections with limited bandwidth, this advanced Canvas editor might feel slow. But so in forcing the simple mode, students are going to be forced to use a less advanced, faster editor. So we can force simple mode, or we can enable slow mode for students. So enabling the slow mode, saying that it'll disable the automatic whiteboard save functionality. So instead of showing a save whiteboard button, they won't be able to save without this button being shown there for them. Just messing around with it. You guys can go into more detail once you know, look into this website. So we'll create a class. So this is what I like. I don't have to like sit there and create a username or whatever for each kid. It's like log in by visiting this website. We have a room code up here. Then here's your whiteboard. So you can write whatever you want. You can change the color. You can insert shapes. You can insert math equations, functions. There's like a whole bunch of stuff. So another thing that you can do is you can show your whiteboard to the kids. You can see everybody's whiteboard. You're able to kick them out if you see something inappropriate. You can turn off the ability for them to use their whiteboard. So you can see everybody's at one time, I believe, right? obviously I can't see that because I don't have anybody joining into my whiteboard room now, but as I was reading into it, that's all the things that it was saying. So I think that's kind of cool, like that you can see what they're writing. Math teachers can use this, science teachers, I mean, anybody can basically use this. You can practice spelling, you can do word work, you can do a whole bunch of different things. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of hop on here and show you what I found. So that's that. We can clear our whiteboard. Like there's different, you know, draw a polygon. So let's draw a polygon. Oh, look at that. We can draw triangles. We can draw a rectangle. We can insert an image. I'm not going to go through my photo library, but we can insert an image. You can insert a background image. There's just tons of things that you can do with this. So quick, you know, tutorial on this whiteboard.fi. If you guys think this is something you could use in your classroom, I really suggest you should go check it out. Sorry, I had to cut you guys off there. I have my kids coming in. So yeah, I like this tool. So I suggest you guys go check it out, see if you like it too, see how you can use it or apply it in your classroom. Yeah, I guess that's it. There's a quick short video. Hopefully I can get into my room this week. Not 100% sure, but if I do, I will try to bring you guys along with me so you can see what's going on. I have some bulletin boards I do need to finish. Need to set up those desks in a 6-foot distance or 3 feet. I don't know, even if we're going back. So, yeah, I have a lot of stuff to go through and like organize and get rid of. There's like just so much that you accumulate and you're just like, why do I have all this stuff? So I want to do that. I want to purge some things and do away with them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this random tutorial on this whiteboard website, and hopefully you guys use it and it helps you out. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of the things. And we are at 41 subscribers. 41 people actually enjoy watching my videos. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Have a great weekend.